Listen up, everyone. This is the one and only Tony the Tiger telling you to go to your nearest store right now and pick up a box of Frosted Flakes 2.0. They're not just great, they're fucking delicious. Get used to them. They taste better, they look better, they all got a pair of titties on them. When you put the milk, they just jiggle and it's whoa in your face. Trust me. It's easy, son. It's easy money.
Why don't you do us a favor and get used to this, Tony? You listening? Your shit is delicious. My shit is magically delicious, okay? Would you rather be fucking or magical? If you magical, you could conjure up like 10 bitches and do them like one a day. That's like a week and a half for that good shit. You eat your cereal, you get it like one day maybe. That's some bullshit.
My shit is bullshit, huh? Oh, I see. Nobody even knows what the fuck your cereal's made out of. What is that? Oatmeal? You know what kids do to oatmeal? They get it at the table and then they say, "Excuse me, I have to go to the bathroom real quick." And they flush that shit down the toilet, okay? Then their parents find out that the shit's in there because it gets clogged and then they get their ass beat. You're getting children's ass beat right now with your nasty fucking cereal. Who eats that shit? It tastes like cardboard, hybrid, what?
Listen, when kids see my cereal in the store, they're like, "Oh shit, I want some of that." And they ask their parents until they get fucking denied because they annoy the shit out of them. You feel me? But when they see your shit, they pay tribute to Zeus, the Holy Trinity, Shiva, all of them, in hopes their parents look the other fucking way. My shit got marshmallows. You have what? Flakes, and more fucking flakes. Check your dandruff, son. You got nothing.
Okay, it's time to bend that ass over and give it up to whoever decided to put fucking marshmallows in your shit, because Lucky Charms without marshmallows is the worst fucking part of a complete breakfast ever consumed. Like, the only reason people even add milk to your shit is to soften your crunchy ass, NASA ready, sun dried marshmallows. You want to talk about kids? Kids say, "Hey, Tony" to me. They play basketball with me. They get detention for causing mass disturbance in the cafeteria over me. You? Those kids want to tear your ass limb from limb until they get the center of your dirt-flavored Tootsie Roll Pop. Don't fall off your comment next time.
Damn, Siberia, you see that wannabe cocky shit? You think you won those games of basketball? Those kids school you, son. You're garbage. You're lucky you're a tiger. They think you're gonna eat them. In fact, what kind of tiger are you anyway? You hail from Africa or Asia or some shit, but you got a fucking Italian-American accent. At least I stick with my shit hardcore. Ireland all day, every day, nigga.
How can you rep Ireland? You barely exist. You're fucking folklore, son. You're a nomad. Like, you're 2 letters away from being a fucking programming concept. Who knows you? People think you have like mythicalitis or something. Like, you might sneeze on them and turn them into somebody's fucking fairy godmother. I bet anything you live on that comet you use to jap out every time a 7-year-old sees you. How your name gonna be lucky and your daily life consists of running away from the grade school popo? Like, have you checked in with the hall monitor lately? Are you allowed to go to the bathroom right now?
Fuck the police, nigga. That's why your fucking slogan used to be, "Great till it's gone." Got it wrong. They were never great. Until they were gone. Then peace was restored and everybody could go back to eating good food. You blue-nosed, handkerchief-rocking son of a bitch. You probably got whiskers on your tongue. How the fuck do you even know your cereal's so damn great? Oh wait, you don't. That's why you tried to change it up talking about some damn toffee-flavored Frosties. What? Yeah, let me get some orange juice and an egg and waffle or two, and I'll take some toffee flakes with that. Who says that shit? Nobody. That's why that shit flopped easy, son.
Lucky. Chill out, bro. I don't want you to fall off your fake-ass gelatin hoverboard and plummet to your death. I hope somebody pokes a hole in that shit, so next time you try to football your way out of certain doom, you can't even...
If I could just interrupt for a second, which I can because I got magic, bitch. Your shit is mad tired. Here's $5. Go to Walmart and pick yourself up a nice teddy bear. I'll conjure you up some warm milk, and you can go to bed. Do everybody else a favor, please.
Oh, was that a threat? I will eat your children alive. Wait a minute, you don't have a wife and kids? Shit. With your tiny ass cereal box, you literally can't stand up to me, you 2'0" fly-fearing, choking on a drop of water, surf-hating, penciled-in freckles-having dust eater. Check McDonald's and see if they're hiring. I'll take it from here. Who am I kidding? I had this shit all locked from day one. I don't have time for this shit. Hurry up and use one of your charms to get out my sight before I tie you up and feed you your hard-boiled, ranch sauce-needed, and fruitless, tootless excuse for marshmallow filler-ass cereal that even Goldilocks wouldn't touch, son.
Wait, hold up. I know for a fact you're not talking about my boy Lucky like that. I got a cousin in Asia who will tear you to pieces. You think I got connections? You don't see what he did to those kids on fucking Family Guy? He tore them up, and he will do the same to you, son. You gonna get a boot to the head in the shape of a rabbit ear, okay? Kapow! Right there. You gonna know what he's thinking, son, with his foot.
Okay, I don't know where you just came from, but the real cereals are trying to have a conversation here. A word of advice, I eat rabbits for breakfast. You used to be able to get cereal on your own. Like, it's been over 60 years. You should have acquiring tricks on lock right now. It should be trivial shit, but right now you have to hold box top mail-in contests just to get a bowl of your own cereal. Your own cereal. You're done. It's over for you. You're like a broke version of that fucking dog with the chocolate chip cookies. Who are you? Who are you? What happened to your roller skates? Did you sell those to keep your business afloat? Is that what happened, Trixie? Huh? Fuck out of here. I wouldn't be surprised if you called Bugs Bunny to help you out once again, cause we all know you can't do your own shit.
Yeah, what the hell just happened to him?
Don't worry, I put a glass box around his head. He's not aware of it yet, but I'm pretty sure when the air runs out, he'll be damn aware. I'm just tired of hearing talk. Let's go. I got shit to do. Like, you know, sell boxes and not die of suffocation. Okay, peace.